is that your brain, disregarding all the effects of pollution and all that stuff, because that will also increase your cortisol levels, but just by being in nature and viewing the biodiversity out there, it's literally telling your brain that this place has resources. This is a good place to live. So your brain gives you spikes of small amounts of positive neurochemicals so that you feel good. And in comparison, when you're in the city, what you have to understand is that our brains haven't caught up with this complex society that we live in. Especially in evolution terms, we've been evolving for hundreds of thousands of years, and all this modern technology has just happened in just a small millisecond, a small blip in evolutionary time. So our bodies haven't caught up to the fact that cities actually do have more resources than nature. You can go to a shop, you can get whatever you want. But our brains don't know that because we haven't had the evolution to catch up with that yet. So when we're standing in a city, there's no trees, there's no animals, there's no biodiversity. And so our brains emit a high amount of cortisol just from viewing that. And I mean, I've thought about what's the closest environment I can think of which a city mimics, and I can't think of anything besides a land that's just been devastated by a volcanic eruption or something, it mimics the tar and stuff. So obviously our brain is going to react very strongly in a negative way to that kind of environment.
And it was like nothing else.
Hey Nick, do you have something to say to the camera? I'm zooming in on your nostril.